Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve a problem of failed opening on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Discord. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store and you can update your apps. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.